Hello and welcome to David and the Drone. You join us today as we head east from Derrydaroch Farm on our way to An Caisteal, which is the first of 2 Munros we hope to complete. Roughly 1.5 kilometres into the walk, you'll eventually come to the end of the forestry road. So at some point you have to go across the river. We decided to cross here. It seemed the best place, I think. There are further crossing points up the path though. But crossing here puts you in good stead to get onto the ridge. So making our way up to nearly 700 metres now. Darren's ahead, he's been leading the whole way. Got views onto An Caisteal. I'm panning around with the camera. We've seen fantastic views of the Munros to the west, Ben Cruachan and Ben Louis in view. So we're now at the twisted hill with views over to An Caisteal, the castle. The name was given to the mountain due to the prominent rock faces that surround it. A very intimidating sight when looking up from Glenfalloch. But it looks like a lovely path all the way up. Looking forward to this one. So if you're looking to see what the gradient's like, it doesn't look as steep as I imagined. It does look quite intimidating from the roadside, but the path looks very good. And you get a little bit downhill once you're up. So yeah, I would recommend coming straight up onto the ridge and working your way around. So we're just about to do the final ascent onto An Caisteal. So where we came from today, the tree line here, and then came up to a 700 metre point and followed the ridge along to where we are. But I'd probably recommend that you follow the shoulder and come up at the highest point there. It's more of a steady ascent compared to the as the crow flies way that we went. Yeah, we're nearly there. So when you get near the top, this is probably the final obstacle before you go up or the final ascent. A bit of a drop in there, loads of snow. First little scramble of the day. And there's the top. Let's get it done. Here we go, summit, An Caisteal, 985 metres. Good effort, guys. So we're very happy that we made it to the summit of An Caisteal, but we noticed the mist was just coming in and decided to sit and have some lunch just to see if it passed. So we're looking over to Beinn. Stop for something to eat. This is the mist started to come in, so we're going to wait and see if it clears. But the path looks pretty good. You can see it down here. So that's us kicked off on the way to Beinn. It's just poking out the mist at the minute. Told there's a clear path all the way, which is great. Lots of people on it. Seems to be a popular mountain. Hopefully we're not losing too much height. It does look quite intimidating over there, but again, plenty of time. Just going to enjoy it. Descending from An Caisteal, there was a little bit of a scramble, but nothing really too taxing. We did see a lot of people on the route, and some even with dogs who managed fine. So we're at the point between the two mountains. We're seeing how steep this is. It's quite intimidating. That's where we've come down from.
Let's see how it goes. See you at the next point. So that's the mist rolling in. There's one thing I will say about this Beinn is get ready for a scramble because there's quite a few. But this is the reward at the top. Gets a little bit flatter. We've got some lovely water features.
Look at the view.
Beautiful. Beautiful. We're hoping this mist passes quick for us. Don't want that on the way down, especially with those scrambles. Oh, can't even see An Caisteal anymore. What a day though. See you next one.
The mist eventually started to clear and revealed two hills with a fantastic loch in between them. We would get to see it a little bit later.
Here we go, true summit. Oh, Beinn. Oh, that's worth the view. Cheers, easy.
We got there.
We got there. The mist is cleared for us. An Caisteal in full view now. Oh yes, brilliant.
We're very happy to make it to the summit of Beinn, which stands at 942 metres. This will be our second and final Munro of the day. We spent some time deciding on our route back to the car and took in the views to the southeast, which included a loch I previously mentioned. It sits between Stobacroin and Stobdub.
Right, so we're coming down from Beinn. We decided to take the path down the valley instead of going up An Caisteal, which is there. We've got a nice boggy path, and there's the view. The plan is to go right to the end of the valley, then make up the extra kilometres on the flat instead of doing it over the hills, which is a wise decision, I think.
Yeah.
What do you think, Dan?
I'd say so, yeah.
Boom.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
It's a bit boggy.
The views down the valley were absolutely incredible. An Caisteal on the left, Crainlarich and Ben Chulican on the right. In the distance, a whole world of Munros, Ben Doran and Ben Callum to name a couple.
Right, so that's us walking back to the car park. We've made it through the glen, and that signals the end of the trail for us, as it's just a road from here. So An Caisteal 995 metres, Beinn 942. Some advice for there, there's three, was it three?
Three what?
There's three cairns, so it's the very last one you want to go to.
The top summit's the third cairn all the way to the right.
Yeah. So take a note of that. I was devastated when I realised there was another bit to go up, and the OS map's marked as 942 when actually the true peak is a lot higher. But yeah, nice easy walk for us to go back, and a great day, and a great bog, another bog compared to Beinn, but I won't post that this time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.
See you later.